Hi everyone, welcome back to Architect. So today we are going to study how we are going to draw with paint. So in this video we are going to discuss this clipboard group and the image group. So I will be releasing more parts, you can watch them. So let's start with these ones. So first one is a paste. I'm going to copy this text from here to here. Here, this is a text. So I'm going to put it there and you can paste it by pressing this one. Paste infinite amounts of them like this. So that's the use of paste. And this cut. You can see the cut. This used to take this one and make a you cut this one and put it somewhere else. Let me show you. I cutted this one and I paste that one. I know you can see this one is gone and you get a same one here. And next one, copy. Copy is to get infinite amounts of copy. I just copied this one, then paste. You can see copy, paste. Just copying and pasting. So this clipboard group is done. And next one is this one, select. This used to select any part of the picture. I'm going to select this much part. You can see this much part. I'm going to select and look. You can select that much part only. And these are some pictures. So I'm going to copy one picture. I copied one picture. I'm going to resize it. So I'm going to resize it to 90 and 10. 100. So let's see what happens. So you enter a valid number between minus 89 and 89. So you can't do 100. So I'm going to put it to 88. You can see what happens. It compresses it on its landing line. A really large landing line. That subscribe button is now over. So let's delete this image and bring another one. So in your subscribe image. Now I'm going to crop it. You can see only the subscribe image is only there. And you can do this. So you get the other parts back. And now it's the rotate. I'm going to take the select and take this and rotate it. Rotate 90 degree, just flip 90 degree and again 90 degree to do 180 degree. 90 plus 90, that means 180 degree. So this will be the original one. And flip horizontal, this one, flip, yeah, like that. So this is the clipboard and image group explained. So thanks for watching. To subscribe, like and share. Bye.